Do you want to learn how to use Photoshop, the world's leading application for editing and designing graphics and photos? Then you're in the right place. This is the perfect course for anyone that is completely brand new to Photoshop, or for those of you who've played around with Photoshop but might not know exactly what you're doing and need a helping hand. My name is Phil Ebner, and I've been using Photoshop for over a decade to help run and grow my business with professional looking photographs and graphics. In this course, we will cover all of the essentials of Photoshop, including how to edit photos, how to use the layer panel, how to design graphics with text and shapes, how to use blending modes and layer styles and artistic filters to make your photos look even better. Throughout this course, I'm not just going to be telling you, okay, click here, click there, click there. I'm going to be explaining the entire process and the reasoning behind what I'm doing, and you're going to be following along. This course contains practice Photoshop project files and photos that you can use to follow along with all of the lessons. So by the end of this course, you won't only know how to use Photoshop, but you will have used Photoshop throughout this entire course. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in lesson 1.